in using the microscope. So if you'd like to stand up, children, then, okay, and hold up your first picture. So everyone stand up. I'm going to come round the back. So we'll be looking at the microscope, okay? So I think you two are together. So hold up your pictures of these cells. Okay? Are you ready to speak? Off you go. You should first go. Place your object on the stage. Well done, gentlemen. Number 2. Nice and
You
Excellent. Makes things look larger. Okay, number 3. Come on, it's your turn now. Good.
microscope shows detail.
Detail, that's it. Good, well done. You're on your own, aren't you?
You have to focus carefully on the object.
Very good. You certainly do. Next, children.
Wow. My object looks different
When it's magnified. The object looks different when magnified. This one. I think you're all together, aren't you? Nice and loud.
You must look carefully into the eyes.
Good. Okay, give them a clap. Well done. Let's pick up picture number 2. Whilst they're organising themselves, I'll show you a typical school microscope. If you want to go and buy something for Christmas, don't buy a microscope, because unless you spend about 20 or 30,000 baht, you'll end up with a piece of junk. This is quite technical, and most of them are okay. They can move the stage around, they can adjust the lenses for different things. They've had quite good fun, literally, with just this one machine, but we've got about 20 upstairs, so when they move into year 2 in the new building, they'll have lots of opportunities. So don't buy a microscope or they'll be bored. Okay? Right, picture number 2 then. Let's have a look. Who's going to do some speaking? Off you go. Cells under the light. Are you going to show the microscope as well? Hold it on like that, everyone can see. Cells under the light. Number 2, second one.
I saw orange and yellow.
Show the picture. That's nice.
Here is my yellow. We can see the side of a one-bar point. My microscope.
So again.
Do you like my microscope?
Do you like this microscope? Yes, I do. Good. Well done.
Here is my onion skin with cells.
Good. There you are. This young man did his homework and brought in lots of extra bits and pieces. We had some
Do you like my microscope?
Yeah, this one, he did bonus homework. That one, a very good scientist there. Next.
My microscope.
Very good. It's a nice blue one. Should we turn it around so they can see it? Well done, Paul.
Blue and white.
It is blue and white. Well done, Paul. Lovely. See it?
Here is a rock under a microscope.
Lovely. Show your picture. Let's have a look. Turn that one around because that's quite good to show around. There we are. Blue one.
Onion skin is purple. Do you like my microscope? Yes. Human skin cells. Do you like my microscope?
Yes. Oh, sorry.
I saw some cells. This is my microscope.
Next one.
My microscope.
Very good. Lovely. Got some cells. Malika?
This is my microscope. Did you like my microscope? Yes.
Come on, calm
This
down.
is a hair shell.
These are hells. This is before the expensive shampoo. Lovely. Joe?
She's got a sore throat. There's some hair cells. There's some hair cells under there. And some cats. Joe, you like cats, don't you?
Yeah. Microscope.
Your microphone. Be quiet please, Wynn's done lots of detail on that microscope. Can you see that? Ask them if they like it. They all say yes. So we're looking for anyone that says no.
I have one with the blue microscope.
Give them all a clap. Lovely.
And the last picture is about living and non-living.
Not living, not living.
And we promise any references to Skibbity Toilet will be kept to the absolute minimum. No singing, no singing. I'll come up with that again, shall I? Here we go. Living and non-living. Come on, be normal, be normal. Let's go.
Here is my pig.
Is it living or is it non-living?
Wait.
A living tree.
Here is my skibbity toilet with the and not living.
Is this one living? Very good. Okay. Next.
Come on, be normal, or the parents won't come back next week.
Here is my not living pencil.
Very nice. A non-living pencil.
Here is my whatever mobile is not living.
It's not living. We were very disappointed when we found out Skibbity Toilet was not real.
Here is my living bird and fish. Do you like it?
Yeah, we like those birds. Good.
Here is my flower. It's living.
They're definitely living it out. Oh, very nice. Lovely flowers. There we are. Next.
Here is a girl. It's living.
She's living nicely. She's coming to you right now. Remember?
Here is a dog. It's living.
Very nice. Isn't that lovely? Look. Well done. Copter.
Here is a helicopter. It's not living.
As opposed to this copter, who is living?
Not living.
No, he is living. He moves.
Here is my little donut. This is not living.
I'm going to eat that later. Is that all right? Yeah? Do you want to hold it? Come on.
No, not living.
Not living donut. Well, thank you. Excellent.
This is a living woman.
Wonderful. Nice one. Go.
Is it living or non-living?
Not living.
Definitely not living.
Winner.
Here is my pet.
Is it living?
Yes.
Meow.
Go on, say it. Say it.
Full name, please, and phone.
Here is my pet.
Titan Speakerman. Okay, I'm sure you're aware of these amazing characters. Okay, there you go. My lovely class of year one.